Noticing cracks in your stucco? That tiny line might be trying to tell you something big, like foundation trouble. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're diving into what these stucco cracks really mean, how to spot serious structural issues, and what to do before things get expensive. The 5 common causes of stucco cracks. Stucco cracks can come in all shapes and patterns. Some are cosmetic, others not so much. Hairline cracks. These are usually minor, but you want to keep an eye on them. They can expand over time or allow moisture to sneak in. Foam trim cracks. These can break the vapor barrier and affect foundation leveling. They need to be checked as soon as possible. Cross pattern cracks. These signal shifting pressure. If you see them, you may be dealing with underlying movement. Spider cracks, fine web-like lines, often an early warning sign of foundation stress or moisture issues. Diagonal cracks, these are serious. They often trace back to foundation shifts or retaining wall issues. Each crack type tells a different story, and we've seen enough homes to know ignoring them is a mistake. How foundation settlement causes cracks. When a foundation settles, it pulls on your home's frame, and stucco is one of the first places it shows. Cracks near the slab or base of the wall often signal vertical movement. Changes in soil conditions like poor compaction or moisture imbalance will often make things worse. Poor drainage around the home accelerates it all, causing the structure to shift, stretch, or break. You can fill cracks all day, but if the ground under your home is moving, you're just putting a band-aid on a broken leg. When to get a foundation inspection? Here's when it's time to stop guessing and call a pro. Cracks are getting wider or forming patterns. You notice cracking near bathrooms or high moisture areas. There's moisture intrusion, mold, or interior wall damage. Floors feel uneven or doors don't even close like they used to. If any of that sounds familiar, don't wait. We offer free foundation inspections and can tell you exactly what's going on beneath your home. The cost of ignoring the problem. What happens if you ignore stucco cracks and underlying foundation issues? Eventually moisture gets in and causes mold, rot, and even termite infestations. Cracks can widen and compromise your insulation and vapor barrier. Structural problems spread to interior walls, flooring, and framing. Repair costs skyrocket. Paying for a repair early is a lot cheaper than replacing walls or rebuilding foundations later. How Dalinghaus repairs stucco and foundations. We don't just patch cracks, we solve what's causing them. Push piers and helical piers can be installed deep into stable soil to lift and support your foundation. Polyurethane foam injection can lift sunken concrete slabs with minimal disruption. We have wall anchors and carbon fiber straps to reinforce bowing or cracked walls. There are stucco repairs which will seamlessly blend patchwork after structural fixes. Our job isn't just about fixing what's visible, it's about restoring your home's stability from the ground up. Pro tips for stucco crack prevention. Want to prevent future cracking? Here's how. Inspect your stucco regularly, especially after heavy rains or seismic activity. Maintain proper drainage with gutters, downspouts, and grading, which are key. Avoid overwatering landscaping near your foundation. You'll want to keep trees and roots at a safe distance. Control moisture in crawl spaces and attics. Preventative maintenance costs much less than repairs. A few small habits can save you thousands later. Why choose Dalinghaus? When it comes to structural issues, experience matters. Thousands of homes inspected and repaired across California, Arizona, and Nevada. We're licensed, bonded, and backed by lifetime warranties. We offer no pressure assessments with honest answers. Whether it's a hairline crack or a major foundation shift, we've seen it, we've fixed it, and we'll stand behind the work. Stucco cracks don't have to be scary, but they should never be ignored. If you're seeing signs of movement, give Dalinghaus a call today. We'll inspect your foundation, explain what's really happening, and help you protect your biggest investment, your home. Call now or book online at dalinghausconstruction.com, servicing California, Arizona, and Nevada. Free foundation inspections are available, lifetime warranties on select repairs. See you next time.